So here I have this question, and the question is, if m is equal to this and n is equal to this, find mn. So mn simply means that you are using m to multiply n. All right, so my first matrix, which is m, is 3, 1, 2, 4. All right, multiplied by n, which is the second matrix. And the second matrix is what? 2, 0, minus 1, 3, bracket close. All right, so you should know that this is the first row of this first matrix. This is the first row. All right, and this is the second row of this first matrix. This is the first matrix. This is the second matrix. So in matrix by matrix multiplication, you multiply the rows of the first matrix with the column of the second matrix. All right. So first of all, we'll go with the first row first. All right. So the first row, we have 3 and 2. So the first member will go for the first member, second member will go for the second member. So 3 times 2 will give me 6, plus 2 times 0 will give me what? 0. Then I'll move to the second column. With that, I'm done with this first column. Then I'll move to the second column. 3 times minus 1 will give me what? Minus 3, plus 2 times 3 will give me what? 6. Right? First member for first member, second member for second member. With that, I'm done with this first row. Then I will move to the second row. All right. So first member for first member. So 1 times 2 will give me what? 2. Second member for second member. 4 times 0 will give me what? 0. So that's plus 0. So with that, I'm done with this first column. Then I'll move to the second column. So first member for first member. 1 times minus 1 will give me what? Minus 1. 4 times 3 will give me what? Plus 12. All right. So with that, I'm done with this second row. All right. With that, I'm done with this second row. So the next thing I will do is to add. So this will now be equal to 6 plus 0 will give me 6. 2 plus 0 will give me 2. Minus 3 plus 6 will give me what? Will give me 3. Minus 3 plus 6 will give me 3. Minus 1 plus 12 will give me what? 11. So this is my answer to this matrix. It's very simple and straightforward. Again, go over the video again if you don't understand it, and understand the steps of the multiplication, all right, the pattern of the multiplication. Once you get it, you've gotten it. All right, so in the next video, we're going to look at another example, and this is the example we will be looking at.